Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Firzatullah from MNG 25CX and with NPM 254-11055. In here, I want to presentation about national income. Thank you. I want to tell you presentation about national income, where it come from, where it goes. At a glance, a concise journey through the source, flow, and distribution of a country annual income. Who produce it, who earns it, and how it's spent or saved. Definition of national income. National income is the total market value of all final goods and service produced by a country in a year. It signals economic performance, living standard, and underpins policy decisions for growth, employment, and welfare. Why it matters: measures growth, guides policy, and informs social program. Policy use shapes fiscal, monetary, and development planning. Source of national income. National income is produced by household, business, and government plus net export. The basic identity is Y C plus E plus G plus X min M. C is for consumption, household spending on goods and service, the large immediate source of demand. E for investment, business spending on equipment, building, and inventory that expand productive capacity. G for government spending, public expenditure on infrastructure, health, and education that support productive activity. X min M means net export. Export at income. Import subtract. The net adds to or drain national income. Household sector, earning and spending. Household supply labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. In return, they receive wages, rent, interest, and profits, which they either consume, save, or pay as taxes. Primary income, wages, business, profit, rent, interest. Use of income, consumption, saving, tax payment, and transfer. Business sector, producing and investing. Business convert input into goods and service, creating employment and generating profit that feed national income. Investment decision determine future productive capacity and long-term growth. Production drive GDP through output of goods and service. The innovation is technology, rise productivity and income per worker. Government sector, collecting and spending. Government rise revenue, tax, state enterprises, resource rent and relocates income through spending on public goods and transfer. Fiscal policy can stabilize the economy and influence distribution. First, revenue resource, tax, state enterprises, export duties, resource income, and second, expenditure, infrastructure, education, health, social protection. Where national income goes. Y equals C plus S plus T. C is for consumption, immediate spending that sustain demand and livelihoods. S for savings, bank deposit and investment that bankroll business investment. T for taxes, fund public service and redistribute income. The simplified allocation, household consume, save or pay taxes. Saving, finance, investment, tax, fund, government spending and transfer. Why national income matters? National income is central to measuring progress. It signals living standards, which policy helps compare economies and reveal trends in employment and inflation. Higher, well-distributed income support better public service and investment. Indicator of economic health, basis for fiscal and social policy, guide for long-term investment planning. Problem in distribution, inequality and its cause. National income often reach some groups more than others. Inequality stems from unequal education, job access, regional disparities, and technological change. Left unaddressed, it can erode social cohesion and economic stability. Cause, skills gap, poor access to equality education limit, earning potential, uneven job, formal versus informal employment, alter income shares, tax change. Automation can display low skill labor, raising inequality. Policy response and conclusion. Addressing distribution requires a mixed policy, investment in education and health, progressive taxation, active labor market program, and targeted social assistance together. This measure help ensure national income, supports inclusive growth and stability. 1. Invest in skill. Expand education and training to raise earning potential. 2. Fair taxation. Use tax and transfer system to reduce excessive inequality. Support jobs. Promote investment, SMEs, and inclusive labor market. I think enough for the presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.